Y'all, I have been on a feather crochet frenzy lately. I might need an intervention, but for the longest, I was itching to try a straight middle part bust down braid look, and I finally did it, as you can see here, so let me show y'all my install process. On blow dried hair, I took some oil and smoothed it all the way through. Then I sectioned off this kind of rectangular portion in the front middle. For this look, I used a 20-inch Kinky straight crochet, and I got it from EaionHair. So I used this braid gel, and after making medium-sized box sections, I applied that to my roots, then rubbed it in so they would be nice and flat. Then I split that section into 3 pieces, and I'm going to feed in 1 piece of the Kinky straight hair, but before I do, I'm making 2 passes with the flat iron to straighten it out some more. Okay, so now I'm going to place the feather crochet piece on top of my hair, incorporating it with 2 of those pieces, and start braiding down. As I'm braiding, every so often I'll stop and dip my finger in the braid gel and smooth it down the length of my real hair to help keep it from puffing up, which will make it blend in better with the crochet hair. Also, once I get down about 1.5 inches to 2 inches, I start borrowing hair so that all 3 sections have some of the crochet hair added to it, and then all I do is braid down about 2 inches past where my real hair stops, leaving the ends straight. I did that all over. Then for this top section here, gonna split it down the middle, straighten out that part, and I did 1 row of box braids on each side. But I made the parts just for this top section a bit smaller than I made the rest of my head. So this is what it looks like. And then here's my whole head after I did box braids, feeding in 1 piece of the straightened Kinky straight crochet hair in and leaving the ends loose. So this is my base, and at this point I started adding in more of the crochet hair on top of it. Again, I flat ironed them out before installation. Then for each braid, starting about 2.5 inches from the top, I inserted my open crochet hook straight through, attach a piece of crochet hair by the string in the middle, close the hook, then bring only 1 side of the crochet hair through the braid. You get this. And finally take both ends and tie them into a knot. This stays secure, only looping it once. Since the string is so thin, it's not going to just come undone on its own, but it also makes it easy to remove when you want to take it out, since it's not a true solid knot. For each braid, I added 3 pieces of crochet hair, with the final piece being about 1/2 inch from the base of the braid. Now after I did that for my whole head, I felt like the very top still didn't look filled in enough. It was a little too gappy for my liking. So I went back just on that top row. At the base of each braid, insert my crochet hook and add 1 more piece of crochet hair at the very start to help the whole style flow a little better. That definitely did the trick, so it wasn't so sparse. It gave me the look I was going for, and I love that I was able to get this straight look without having to worry about blending my leave out or heat damaging my hair. It's also really nice to be able to have full access to my scalp, and then because these are all single braids, the styling options are endless. I can do a side swept bang look, half up, half down. I can do ponytails, literally whatever I want. And I did not cut this hair at all, so if I take it out and use it again, I don't have to worry about working with weird lengths because I altered it. Speaking of removal, let me show y'all an easy way to detach these extensions without damage, because sometimes feather crochet with these little strings can get tricky. So for the hair along the length of the braid, all you do is take the end of a comb and slide it underneath the string, then lift to separate it from the braid. Once you see that loop, now you can simply pull the end of the crochet hair through to unknot it. and then go ahead and slide that piece right on out. Bing, bang, boom, done. Everything is intact, just like new, and you can reuse the hair. For these top pieces, since it's right at the root and I don't want to pull and struggle trying to fish out the string from my real hair, I'm going to just hold the hair straight up and very carefully, making sure not to get any of the braid or my real hair, cut the string here. And remember, I only added these top pieces to 10 braids, so I don't have to cut many at all. But yeah, now just unbraid the length of the box braid. That piece that got fed in slides right out, and that little piece of string left from cutting the top feather crochet piece basically releases itself. I used almost 5 bundles of Kinky straight crochet from Eayon Hair for this look, and a direct link is in the info box. Bye guys.